Hello and welcome back for another cooking episode. For today's video, I'll be cooking one of my favorite dishes, and this is none other than creamy pork with mushrooms. I really love dishes that are creamy. I don't know why, but my taste buds really like it. If you're like me or is curious about how to make this, then this video is made for you. Please keep watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. So I'm using half kilo of pork belly here, slicing it into small cubes. Well, if you're not a pork lover, instead of pork, you can use beef or chicken with this recipe. I'll also be using 10 cloves of garlic. Peel it and mince it. Yes, 10 cloves because I love garlic. I'm mincing some onion too. I'm just using the half of it. You can also prepare spring onion for garnishing purposes. This is optional though, but since I have it, then I'll make the most out of it. I season the pork belly with salt and pepper and give it a good massage. Once it's done, I set it aside for about 15 minutes before I air fry it. Yes, you heard it right, because pork has a lot of oil, and honestly, I'm scared of frying pork, especially pork bellies. You know what I mean? I need shields to protect my face and arms. Air fryer to the rescue, my savior. So now, I set the air fryer to 180 degrees for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I try to check the pork and add 10 more minutes to it. While waiting, I will prepare the mushrooms. I mistakenly bought the whole one, so I need to slice it manually. Time is up. Time to check the pork. I'm still not satisfied about it. I'll add 2 more minutes. I think this one's okay. Alright, time to move to the next procedure. Instead of oil, I am using butter to saute the garlic, onion, and mushrooms. And now I'll be adding the pork. add about a tablespoon of soy sauce. Now it's time to pour the evaporated milk. I am using 340 ml of milk here so that it will be creamy and tasty. I'm adding water also, just a cup will do. Mix and cover it for a few minutes until it boils. Ooh, it's boiling! It's time for a taste test! So good! Can't wait to eat! Once the milk becomes a bit sticky, then it's time to plate it. Looks delicious! How much more if I eat it? That's it for today, guys. Hope you liked this video and really glad to help people who are still learning how to cook, just like me. See you next time. Byeers!